How to create an Adobe Acrobat account. Open your browser and head to acrobat.adobe.com. In the top right corner, click Sign In, even if you don't have an account yet. On the login page, click on Create an account. Now enter your first and last name, email address, password, and birthday. Make sure to use an email you can access. Adobe might send you verification link. Once that's done, check the box to agree the Adobe's terms and hit Create Account. Adobe may email you a confirmation link. Click it to verify your account. You are officially in. Now you can start using free Acrobat tools online or in the app. Already have a Google, Apple or Facebook account? You can just click one of those buttons on the login screen. No password to remember. And that's how you create your Adobe Acrobat account. Fast, free and super easy. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.